name's Danielle Lockwood and I'm a professional roller skater, creator and coach. Today we're going to be talking about standing up and falling over, which is absolutely bound to happen. We love falling over as a part of the process because it means that you're pushing your boundaries, you're challenging yourself, and you are willing to grow and develop as a skater. So, speaking of, let's go on down to the floor. First of all, we're going to think about how we're even going to stand up. Now, I think the best way is to come onto all fours. You're going to bring one leg up to a nice 90-degree angle, like so, keeping the foot really nice and flat on all four wheels. Grab your two hands, pop them on the top of your thigh. You're going to push nice and hard down into that flat foot, and you're going to transfer your weight onto it as you join in a nice home-based position. Of course, if this is something that you feel like you are struggling with, you can use a wall, a chair, or any kind of aid to start with, but the sooner you're able to depend on yourself, the quicker you're going to develop. So I urge you to try this by yourself and believe in yourself, because I know you can do it. So we've learned how to get up, but how do we get down? So one of the safest ways is to come into a cannonball. So a cannonball, we have our feet hip width distance apart. We're gonna bend all the way down. I'm gonna do it to the side so you can see. We're gonna bend all the way down. Our bum goes to our heels, our shoulders go over our knees. And this is quite dependent on your anatomy, so you might not be able to go as low, but go as low as you can, even if it's here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shift our weight over to one side. You're gonna put one of your hands down. You're gonna plonk your bum on the floor, and you're going to stretch those legs out. And you're on the floor. So let's do that a little bit quicker. So we go down into our cannonball, we reach to one side, and we plonk ourselves on the floor. And of course, I have another option for you to get down to the floor safely. So I'm hoping that you're all wearing wrist guards and knee pads, because for this one, you're going to want them. So we're gonna go up onto your toe stops. If you can, both of them. You are going to reach forward. This might be a bit scary, but you're going to be fine, especially if you have knee pads on, and you're going to plonk down onto your wrists, onto your knees, and again, you've made it to the floor. Congratulations. A little bit quicker, we go up onto the toe stops. If it's more natural for you to fall onto your knees first and then your wrists, again, that is personal preference. So they are some of the best ways that I feel like you can get down to the floor and get up from the floor nice and safely, especially if you've just started skating. I hope you've learned something in this lesson. Please check out my full online classes and tutorials over on the Patreon. Subscribe, like and share. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you all more than you can possibly know, and I will see you on the next one.